ones, and welcome back. Welcome back to the first vlog of 2026. Can you guys believe this? We are in a new year, and when I tell you, God has been amazing. So I am getting myself together. I am getting ready to go to a birthday celebration for my sissy. Her birthday was on Christmas Eve. But because our lives have been just so chaotic and busy, we are going to be celebrating today. So, yeah. Oh, girlfriend, I have been sick. When I tell you, sickness has taken a toll on me. When I got back from vacation, I was so sick. And then, I went to my play sister's house for Christmas Eve, and it was outside, and the temperature here was like 71, and I got even sicker. When I said, oh my God, is sicker a word? Sicker. I don't know, but child, I was not at my best, but I'm getting ready, and I just have to show you my new gift that I have. I want to thank, is it Tikhubshop? I think I'm pronouncing it right, for sponsoring today's video. They send me the cutest bag, and I cannot wait to show you how it looks. But most of all, it is my favorite color. Now, I'm going to tell you, it took a minute for me to get it, but that is okay because they detailed everything to my preference, and I was just so excited that when I got it, I was on vacation, and I couldn't unbox it at that time, but when I came back, you know, sick or not, I opened that bad boy, and I was like, oh, love it. So I cannot wait to show you my bag, but let me go ahead and get ready. Oh, I have some new hair. Let me show you guys. I did go get my hair fixed. My braider, the person that braids my hair, she is booked. When I say booked, and I don't care sick or not, I was gonna go see her. So for her, you have to book months in advance. So I went on and booked my appointments all the way up until the end of 2026. And when I tell you, when I was booking and the days that I want, oh, that must full. I'm like, girl, what? But honey, that's a good thing. You are nailing it. And you know, y'all, tell me what y'all think. So let me go ahead and finish getting ready. We have to be there. At 3, we going downtown. I hate downtown. My sister picked that spot, so I'm hoping it is good. I've never been there. And so it's 124. So let me go ahead and finish getting ready so I can show you my new bag. All right, so look at my new baby, Christian Dior. Isn't she lovely? She's gorgeous. Thank you, Tikhubshop, for sponsoring today's video. Now, when I tell you I fell in love with this bag immediately, it was immediately. Everything about it is just awesome, from the designs, the detail, everything about my new baby is perfection. Now, who does not want perfection as part of their wardrobe every day or any hour of when you're fitting your outfit? From the outside detail, from the inside, everything is done with love and perfection. This is a client most definitely I am going to keep on high radar. Everything about them is perfection, from keeping me in the loop of everything. When I say perfect customer service, thank you, Tikhubshop, for sponsoring today's video. And guys, there is a coupon code for you. me get up out of here. Again, like I said, I got to drive downtown, and that is a pretty good ways for me. I'm going to have to get on the expressway. So I'm going to use this new Chance cologne from Chanel. This is what I am going to put on. I really can't smell anything because I still have this cold. And then the shades I'm going to wear will be these. I got these from Shein. Now, you cannot tell me this is not cute. But yeah, let me get up out of here. Because this is an intimate time with my girls, I may and may not video. But if I do, you know, I'm going to be taking you with me. But anyhow, I see you probably later on today. And if not, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I am back in the car. That restaurant is nice. This is a must go for hubby and I. That was a nice restaurant. But the only thing, I had to walk a pretty good way to the car. The parking. No good parking. Woo, child. So I'm not feeling the best. Sissy's told me to get some Sudafed. So I'm gonna go to CVS. Give me some Sudafed. And then I'm going to get home. And I'm going to get into bed. Take me a bath. And get in the bed. Get in the bed. So, excuse me. I had the Caesar salad. Oh, y'all, let me tell y'all, the prices was, oh my gosh. I had the Caesar salad, that was $19.50. And then I had the Brussels sprouts. They were so good. Oh my God, them Brussels sprouts was good. I just ate them. Oh, I ate everything. Brussels sprouts was $12. So that was a little pricey for lunch, but it was worth it. I loved it. Everything was nice. And then, you know, normally I would get water. Oh my God, I drank that water. It was nasty. I've never had nasty water here in Memphis. But, you know, like Sissy said, it could be that the cold, you know, that's in me got everything not tasting good. Messing with my taste buds. But, yeah. Do I have a hose in here? Yeah, I like my bed. I love it. I think I have a hole in here. Yeah, I put a hose in here. So I'm going to go ahead and go home. Like I said, go to CVS. Get the Sudafed. And then I am going to take a bath. And get in the bed. And I will be in the bed all day today. And probably tomorrow. Because I got to get well. Because I got to go back to work on Monday. Yeah. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow.